Spray drying is an industry-standard approach to manufacturing high-quality, shelf-stable powders. Dedert's drying and evaporation experience has proven reliable with over 2,500 installations worldwide in its over 55-year history. Dedert is an agile partner, supplying custom-engineered industrial dryers and evaporators perfectly tailored to your process configuration. We offer worldwide engineering capability, providing innovative engineering solutions, proven designs, and premium quality local fabrication. Drying is energy-intensive. Dedert's engineers continually strive to develop energy-efficient dryer designs. Our customized designs and solutions are suitable for many different industrial applications. The introduction of a novel adjustable air distributor enables air swirl vane angle to be optimized and controlled externally through an integrated velocity cone. The novel design optimizes airflow and particle characteristics that keep the roof and walls free from product buildup. This is especially effective in food and pharmaceutical applications and allows for variability in airflow patterns. At the heart of the Dedert spray dryer is our innovative patent-pending air-bearing atomizer, which offers unrivaled performance in a compact footprint. Our permanent magnet motor offers superior efficiency. Air bearings eliminate friction and provide vibration-free performance. Lubrication-free bearings guarantee zero product contamination and results in low maintenance. Rigid design of the high-speed spindle eliminates critical rotor speeds, enabling smooth operation in the entire speed range. Our standard titanium disc is available in various configurations and coatings to provide optimal performance. Dedert's air-bearing atomizer seamlessly integrates with new or existing installations. Our Atomizer control panel offers an advanced graphical user interface with diagnostic monitoring and protection of critical parameters. Remote diagnostics and troubleshooting are available. Our spray dryers are designed to meet the latest NFPA 68 FM Global or ATEX standards. We offer custom-sized sanitary flat and curved explosion vent relief doors or rupture panels to protect personnel and equipment. Our vent relief doors maintain a positive seal and open at a precise and predetermined pressure. Reclosable vent doors eliminate costly and time-consuming vent rupture panel replacement. Dedert's spray dryers designs meet increasingly stringent emission regulations. Our tailored approach to each installation ensures we achieve our air emissions performance guarantees. Dedert supports projects at every stage, from project planning, erection, and startup through to after-sales services and maintenance. Let Dedert be your partner on your next project. We deliver.